I used this LED light therapy mask for 2 weeks.
There are lots of scientific research that back up these claims that LED masks can help solve a variety of skin issues.
But in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my journey using this mask, and most importantly, I'm going to be answering your burning question. Did I get results? Before we move on, let's quickly talk about LED masks. So LED stands for light emitting diode.
These devices primarily emit light in the visible light spectrum. This light gets absorbed by receptors in the skin, leading to a series of events that could be of benefit to the skin.
That is, the light energy, also known as photons, gets absorbed by an end target depending on the wavelength. So this is the Lumamask 7 photon light therapy mask. As you can see, it actually has 7 colors, and red light helps to. Blue light has been proven to help in the treatment of acne, and it does this by killing the bacteria causing the acne. And this is how it comes. It has this collagen gel, and it also has this that you can use to recharge. It also has this card that you can use to activate your 1-year free warranty. All you have to do is follow the instructions here to activate your 1-year free warranty. It also has its user manual. It's very important that you go through the user manual before you start using any beauty device. I was actually gifted this beauty device, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to give you my honest review. I received this gift from Project eBeauty.
Project eBeauty is a beauty device brand, and they actually ensure the safe delivery of my package.
The product is actually FDA approved because I did a lot of research about it. And it says that photolight therapy works by using the natural healing properties present in different wavelengths of light to treat various skin tissue issues. This technology is safe. Cosmetology experts agree these treatments have no noticeable side effects if they are administered correctly. And just like any other treatment, there are possible side effects to the use of this. So I'm just going to be reading out some important instructions I think you should take note of from the manual. So it states here that do not use if one of the following pertains to you. Do not use if you are pregnant or think you might be pregnant. The device has not been tested on pregnant women, and the effects, if any, are unknown. Do not use if you have experienced a migraine in the last 2 years. Do not use if you have a history of light-triggered seizures. Do not use this device over any suspicious or cancerous lesions. To do so may result in delaying the best medical treatment. Failure to use and maintain the LED mask in accordance with the instructions outlined in this manual will invalidate the warranty. Now, do not use the LED mask while using any product that contains AHA or glycolic acid. This can cause unwanted levels of stress in the skin. Do not allow children to use this device unsupervised. I think that's actually more like common sense, but I still had to mention that anyway. Do not use if you are sensitive to light, and that's going to take me to the photo sensitivity test. So it has this light sensitivity test that you have to perform to know if you are photosensitive. And do not also use this beauty device if you are taking drugs known to make you sensitive to light. I'm going to list some of the examples on the screen. So for the light sensitivity test, I'm going to demonstrate the light sensitivity test for you to see. All you have to do is take the mask and you turn it on. This is how you turn it on. It has this power button here, and you quickly turn it on, choosing the color that you want, and you place it over your arm, as you can see that I have done. Wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you are going to turn it off, and then you're going to wait for 24 hours to notice if there are any adverse reaction, or if there's any adverse reaction. If you have any reaction to this product, please do not continue use of it.
Let me quickly take you through my journey using this mask. So this is my skin before I started using it, and as you can see, this is me opening up the box and taking out the manual and just trying to understand how to actually use this product. In the very first week, you can actually decide to use it for about 4 times, which I did, and after using the mask, you can actually follow up with the other steps of your routine. So this is me actually taking out the mask from the box, and as you can see, I didn't have to attach the temples. The temples came attached to the eye shield, even though I still prefer to use it with my eyes closed. This mask is actually lightweight, as you can see. I want to think of it as my at-home spa treatment. So this is me trying to take out the final parts of the packaging. This is how the collagen gel came, as you already saw, And this is me trying to show you by getting you to focus even though I couldn't. So I had already cleansed my face and I take out the collagen gel and apply just a little bit on my face, and I'm just going to rub that in and just tap it in. I like to use the mask after applying just a little portion of the collagen gel after cleansing. It's very important that you cleanse before you actually use this mask, the gentle cleanser. And after that, I used the mask and I decided to go with the red light. That was the most suitable for my skin. And after using this mask, I just gently, lay down and wait for it to get turned off after 10 minutes. You see, this is my next day of use, and it's actually really easy to use, as you have already seen. After using it this particular day, I decided to take a snapshot and I noticed that there was an improvement in the luminance of my skin. So I continued using it, and after the 2 weeks of using it, if you pay close attention, you will notice that there's an improvement in the radiance of my skin.
Will I continue using this LED mask? Definitely. I've actually done a lot of research about LED mask, and this
It's one of the most fairly priced among the similar grades of LED masks in the market. It is strapless and it is actually hassle free.
I mean, 7 colors which provide benefits to the skin. This is actually really amazing for the price it goes for. And most importantly, for that price, it does not heat up at all. I can easily recharge it and continue to use it. To shop this product, I'm actually going to be putting a link in the description box. And the best part is, when you shop with my code, you get a 10% discount on your purchase. Have you ever had an experience with light therapy, or have you ever used LED mask? Please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Don't forget to share your thoughts. And if you did love today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more product reviews like this. Till then, see you next time.